Hey everybody, Matthew Cole with West Shore Mortgage here in Sacramento. Today we're going to talk about certain neighborhoods and why you need to know what HOA, Mello-Roos, and flood insurance could do to your payment. Today we're going to talk a little bit about special payments that are included in certain neighborhoods, such as HOAs, Mello-Roos, and even flood insurance. Let's talk a little bit about what each of these are. Homeowners Association is going to be your HOA. Typically, those are going to be payments due to the association that are really going to help your neighborhood in regards to enforcing the laws, making sure that parking is limited where it's supposed to be, maybe a lot of exterior work in your neighborhood, in your homes, especially in condos or townhomes where the HOA is going to help maybe some painting or some roofing or landscaping or some major improvements in the neighborhood itself. The Mello-Roos tax is going to be that's going to be added in on top of your property taxes. They're going to go to help, maintain the neighborhood. They're going to build parks. They're going to build sidewalks. They're going to put up street lights, maybe some commercial retail stuff. They're going to help go to that. The thing is with Mello-Roos is that they eventually go away, typically 30 years down the road, so ask about that. Another one is going to be your flood insurance, and that's exactly what it is. It's going to protect your home from a flood, like a natural disaster, not if you leave your dishwasher on. So if you have a flood from a river overflowing or a levee breaking and your house has damage from that, you can execute your flood insurance policy and make sure that you're taken care of there. So when we do a pre-approval for all of our buyers, we typically just pre-approve people based on their principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, and any kind of mortgage insurance that they would have if they're not putting down 20%. Some neighborhoods, Natomas in Sacramento, are gonna have flood. They're gonna have HOA. They're gonna have Mello-Roos. Some neighborhoods in Roseville and Lincoln are gonna have Mello-Roos. They're gonna have potential HOAs, no flood. These are things that working with your loan officer, if they know that you're looking in a specific neighborhood, they have to pay close attention into what they're setting you up as a payment. Because if you're looking in Natomas to buy a house, Westlake, certain areas, or you're looking in Lincoln, Catadera, Lincoln Hills, if you're looking in Roseville, Granite Bay, certain areas, you need to know that some of these properties potentially could have HOA and Mello-Roos. Natomas could have all three with the flood. So if you're set on a payment of $2,500 a month and you go out looking at a specific purchase price and your loan officer doesn't know that in the neighborhood you're looking at are going to have any of these special payments, you're going to be in for a rude awakening when you find out your payment is going to be $500 potentially higher every month. So make sure that when you're working with somebody, you choose somebody local that's going to know the neighborhoods, it's going to know that some of these properties are going to have HOA, flood, and Mello-Roos, or at least be smart enough to ask the realtor those questions, because when we pre-approve people, our first question that's out of our mouth is there any HOA, flood, or Mello-Roos? No? Perfect. And so when we're sending you out on your payment and you're comfortable with what you're looking for, you can take it to the bank that you know that when you're ready to write an offer, that your payment's gonna be what your payment is, and you're not gonna have any worries of anything blowing up in your face. So if you have any questions or you find this information useful, give it a share, give us a like. We'd love to talk with you, especially if you're not sure what the Mello-Roos and HOAs are and what flood insurance, what it covers, but we'd love to help you out.